The name is Jack, and I have a bone to pick with you guys. Why is it every time we have to get launched on a stupid slingshot, and then, even worse, we explode, commit suicide? Suicide! Do you know what that means? And sometimes a pig is not even annihilated. Well, I'll tell you one thing, not anymore. How about I take you and put you on a stop rising? Sorry, that sun annoys me every time. They don't call us angry birds for nothing. Anyways, how about I take you and put you on a slingshot and shoot you there and see what happens?